broken wipers, Savanah 3500, year 2011. Here's how you fix it. Screw right there. Screw right there. And there's a screw here and here. A couple more over here. Over here. Pop it out. It just comes out like that. Now the one on the right, we got to take out the two bolts holding the wiper. You got to pop this. Pop that off. Okay, it's a 1/2 inch right here. Right there, 1/2 inch. Now the wiper comes right off. Like that, and then it comes right off. Like that. Comes right off. See it? Pull that off. And you got to get the other side right here. Same thing. And the other one. The other one, windshield wiper end. It's right here. Pull that out. And this whole piece comes out. Okay, this is the problem. 2 bolts here and 1 over there. You gotta take out those bolts on either side. Here. And then over here. There's another right there. There's your bolts. Take them out. 10mm fits. I mean, it's close enough. There you have it. Right there. By the way, that bolt I dropped, these magnets are great. I was able to reach down in there. See it? Get one of these magnets. Don't forget the other 2 bolts on the right side. There. Squeeze it right there and that clip comes out. Oh no, there's another bolt down here. Oh, another bolt. Hard to get out. You gotta be willing to twist, maneuver, just like that. And there it is. That's what it looks like. What goes wrong is these bushings right here. The bushings right here, they wear out. Okay? So what you gotta do is get the new transmission, they call it. I got the new part, I'll show you. 15872-119. In my case, the motor transmission is the problem. But if your transmission motor is bad, you would just replace it now. Old part going away. The old bolt works great. This whole arm moves until it lines up with the old ball joint right there. You just gotta push it on until you hear it click. I had to take that wood block and gently tap it. Try not to break it, it's so tight. And that's the reason it fails. It's so tight that when it wears out, you're done. I mean, it's just, those bushings, those white bushings there, that's the problem with this part. Anyways, now we just put it back in. And that's it. You're all done. Thanks for watching. You guys gotta see this old cat. He's not even my cat. His name is Boots. He's 28. Look how old this guy is. Boots, we gotta work on this wiper What's it called? We gotta work on this transmission.